Welcome to G-Part1 London. I'm Andrea and I'm gonna be your project manager for the renovation which are due to start soon. Right, so we enter in the apartment and as you can see on the right we're gonna have on the left here a little WC where we're gonna have new boiler and new vanity and WC behind the door. While where this is now your living space and kitchen, we're gonna demolish all these walls and we're gonna create a unique space where kitchen is gonna be all along the wall plus an island that is gonna be bespoke. Then we're gonna be entering in the main space where you can see the detail of the ceiling cornice. This is a grade 2 listed apartment and building, so we're gonna have to recreate these to this side once the kitchen wall has been demolished. Another nice feature is the chimney breast that will have to stay, as the heritage team told us that will have to stay, so we're gonna keep it. And as you can see, there's a lot of light coming in where secondary glazing will be fitted and replaced. So we're gonna move on and we're gonna head over to the bedrooms and bathrooms. So you're gonna have your private lift here that you can access with the keys from the ground floor to the first. Then as you turn, you're gonna have your utility area here. At the moment it's very old, but we're gonna have washing and drying machine here and some of the operation cabinets. As you can see on the left, you're gonna have the family bathroom where we're gonna remove the bidet and we're gonna have a shower instead of the bathtub with the wall that is coming a little bit towards me to increase the area of the ensuite of the master bedroom. On the opposite side, you're gonna find the second bedroom, which is a bit smaller, but always with a nice view on the outside of the palaces of Kensington. And also you're gonna have your own wardrobes there. Then we're heading into the master bedroom. Same orientation. Obviously here it's gonna be the bed with sockets on each side. And you're gonna have the TV wall around this area. Always wardrobes built in. And then as the other ones, we're gonna remove the bathtub and we're gonna extend this wall to the opposite side. That's it. Renovation will start soon. We're just waiting for the permits and for the landlord to give us the go-ahead. Contractor has almost been appointed and we're ready to go.